I had 15 members of my extended family killed in Auschwitz, and I'm partly here as an act of remembrance of them, and also to try and make clear that a big body of Jewish opinion survivors and descendants of survivors and just socialist Jews are against the current Holocaust going on in Gaza, and the lesson of the Holocaust that we had suffered is that it should not be repeated against anyone.
We often hear the word never again used, but I'm afraid that's become rather an empty phrase. It's been repeated so often since the Second World War, and here we have it again, taking place in Palestine. It's almost become an empty word. I would like to say it and believe it, never again for any genocide.
My heart goes out for the people in Gaza. I'm in touch with a number of people in Gaza at the moment, and I know how they are suffering, and I know the difficulties that they are facing. It is incumbent upon all of us today, on Holocaust Memorial Day, to reflect upon our duty to make sure that people do not suffer.
We feel that the Jewish voice of opposition is not being heard, and we're choosing this day, the Holocaust Day, to make a very strong statement that we are going to mourn the dead in the Holocaust alongside all those who have died in Gaza, in this genocide which is both historic and ongoing in Palestine.
The lesson that we have to learn is that after the Holocaust, we Jews said, where was the world? Where was everyone when we were suffering? And that is a lesson that we have to learn today, that we must never be bystanders. Wherever we see people in pain, and we have to work in harmony and together to make the world a better place for everybody.